Welcome back, y'all. What we got up on the mill is another cedar log. This one's 23 on this end, 22 on that end. And it's almost 8 foot long, 7 foot and 9 inches. Not quite 8. Everybody cuts them short. I like them cut, if you're cutting 8 foot, cut 8 foot and 6 inches. 10 foot and 6 inches. Add 6 inches to whatever cut you're cutting. Gives us room to put it on the bunks. And I hate doing short logs. Some people bring me logs that are 2 foot and 2 inches, or 2 foot exactly. That don't get it too good on this mill. All right, what we're gonna do to this one here, it's got a lot of rot in the end of it. I don't know what we're gonna get out of it. We're gonna do 8/4 slabs again. It's full of ants, I can see that right off the bat. I can see the ants in there crawling around. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got inside, and hopefully it ain't as bad as the other one. The other one was pretty bad. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing on the road. The inspector's out here walking around. But when I start the mill, she'll probably skedat and go over there and watch me mill. She don't like staying beside it. Where you going, Inspector? Hey, Inspector, where you going? You gonna go over there and lay down and watch me? Just go ahead and open this envelope up. That one's all done. We'll go ahead and scoot that out and see if we can knock it off. Hope this does better than the last one. The last one I just about overdid it, overshot it. Knocked the whole stack over. Y'all missed that because I didn't record it. That was a boo-boo. Now, if I can get that to go down a little bit, I should be able to slide them right off of there. Let's take this top piece off. This one didn't turn out too bad, I don't think. had two pieces there. But the ants are eating it up. See how much sawdust the number 4 leaves behind? Way too much for me. That means my duster ain't collecting very much of it. That means that's a lot of more cleanup I gotta do, which I don't care for that. Might be able to drop both of them at the same time. Let's go around the other side. There's the inspector sitting over here on the log watching, not giving a hand at all. She said it wasn't her job. Oh, there you go. Oh, if I can scoot that one back. I don't have no helper. My daughter had to go back to work, so I lost that helper. And this stack turned out pretty good. Put it right back together the way we took it apart. And he got a top coat cut to cover it up. Ugh. I'm gonna get over there. There we go. He got a top hat. How's that? All right, we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and hope you hit that subscribe button, the like button, and then try to share it with some friends. And that like button helps out a lot. If you all can hit that, don't forget to. I know we get a lot of videos where we get 1.5 views, 1.5 thousand views and 5 likes. Either apparently they ain't liking the videos, or a lot of people just forget. Sometimes I forget and got to go back and watch the videos and hit the like button so that people get the credit for it. But we hope y'all do the same, and we thank and appreciate y'all, and we'll catch you on the next videos. Y'all have a great day.